Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a no contact reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the end of this month, September 2025. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also. Please keep that in mind. If it is not resonating, not your story at all. Want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box. For tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You will find the links below. So let's start. Okay, the overall energy or the mutual energy for the connection right now, Leo. We have the Fool in reverse, the Seven of Cups, the Hanged Man. You know, you guys are not able to find the courage to start or to initiate this situation, initiate this connection again, because there's lots of emotional confusion in the situation. There's lots of ifs and buts kind of situation. You know what is happening here? Might be you guys are looking for other options, and you guys are trying to find the person that you lost in those other options, and that's why you guys are feeling stuck in this whole dynamics, in this whole situation. So even if you guys are trying to move on in your individual lives with the different people, different situations, options, you're trying other options, you guys are not able to find anybody like you guys had experienced before with maybe each other, or maybe you had like some good experiences with other people maybe, right? But for the mutual energy of this connection, there's a lot of emotional overwhelming, emotionally confusing kind of energy that is keeping you guys stuck on the situation, and that's why you guys are not able to have that brand new beginning that you're looking forward to have. For some of you, this person wants, like, one of you want this situation back, and the other person is so stuck in their ways that they are not letting it happen. They're like, I am never going to let this happen. Whatever is gone is gone. I'm denying this brand new beginning. I am going to block this brand new beginning. Even I think they are not even telling it, like they're not clearly stating it, but the way they are keeping things hanging is kind of very confusing and very overwhelming for the other person here, right? So the overall energy here is of being overwhelmed, emotionally confused and stuck, and not able to move on towards new people, new energies, even if you guys want to have it. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So let's start with the feelings thing and the intentions and the action from both the sides, their side, your side, and then the outcome, the guidance, and one final card from the romance angels. Let's see. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. Okay, honey, let's see. Eight of Wands. This person is feeling like they should have some kind of heart-to-heart communication with you. Okay, they feel like they should travel towards you. If you guys are in a long distance, especially if distance is the problem, and if because of the distance the no contact is happening, this person feels like traveling to you. But this person definitely feels like having that, sorry, heart to heart communication with you, face to face communication with you, where both of you are talking to each other properly and honestly about your true feelings, your true energies. Okay, so this is what they feel about the situation, that they should travel towards you, they should have this heart to heart communication with you, face to face communication with you, and back and forth communication, a lot of it. It's not just one word sentence or something, like one word or one sentence or something. It's like proper communication they feel like having with you, right? Let's see from your side. We have the Seven of Wands. So you are the one blocking their way. You feel like keeping yourself safe from this particular person or situation, because you feel like if you are going to open up, this is going to be a mess again or shit show again. Right now you feel like you should keep your guards up and keep yourself protected from this energy, from this dynamics, because this is not worth it. At least for the time being, you feel like keeping your guards up, keeping yourself in an energy bubble, and not allowing this person to connect with you in any way. You're keeping them blocked deliberately. You are being a little bit defensive also, but mostly you feel like this is not worth it. They don't deserve to ruin your peace or your mental health again. This is what you feel from your side. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? This is the Two of Wands. Now, Two of Wands can indicate so many things, but in your case, it's like this person wants to keep moving ahead in their life with some kind of plan or strategy with maybe some other person. Maybe they are shifting to other city or other country. Maybe they are planning to have a new job or career or something, but they want to keep this situation in the back seat, that because they want to like connect or reconnect when the timing is going to be right, and or when they will be able to do that finally. Right now they're like feeling blocked in the situation by you, by the whole universe. So they are keeping they want to just keep moving forward in their life with some other option maybe, or with some job or career opportunity, especially overseas. And they want to keep this situation in the, you know, in the sidelines, like okay, this is also there. So they want to acknowledge the situation afterwards, meanwhile waiting for some kind of decision of theirs to work out in their favor. From your side, the intentions here is the Page of Wands. You just want to have a lovely doubly cool kind of life. Just don't want to take anything or anyone seriously right now. You might be like, okay, I am open to have friendships, I'm open to have connection, I'm open to have communications, maybe not towards this person at all, this specific person. From your side, you just want to keep your energies open for new connections, new friendships, and new bonds, but you don't want to take it seriously. You just want to keep a light-hearted kind of approach, light-hearted kind of energy. You just want to enjoy the connections, the bonds, the friendships. You just want to explore new things, new places, new situations, new bonds. Okay, but towards this particular person, your intentions are of not taking this situation seriously at all, at least for the time being. You don't want to take this person or the situation as seriously as you used to do at some point of time. Let's see action from this person's side, if any, by the end of this month. This is a typical card of wearing their heart on sleeves and doing something without even thinking about the consequences. So there are quite high chances that this person is going to, out of the blue, very impulsively try to show up in your inbox, like maybe making fake accounts and texting you from there if you have blocked them from everywhere. This person might try to reconnect with you out of impulse, out of this, like maybe drunk call, maybe some kind of song or memory is going to trigger the feeling of connecting with you again. This is not going to be a calculated or subtle or well thought, well put together kind of energy. This is going to be impulsive kind of energy. Okay, I just want to do it, I have to do it. So you can expect some kind of impulsive action from this person's side. That's not going to be stable or mature. It's going to be like, I did that because I wanted to, because I felt the impulse to do that. Okay, from your side, we have the Ten of Wands. You are going to drop it. You have already dropped this situation, but if you're watching this video, it means you're still energetically connected to this person, even if you're watching it for fun, right? So you are finally going to drop this situation, whatever energies are connected, whatever connection you feel, but bond you feel with this person. You are slowly on the way of dropping the situation completely and getting over the situation. Even if it is going to take you a little bit more time to properly settle down, you are doing it. You are like, I'm going to do that no matter what. I'm going to drop it, I'm going to move forward, and I'm not going to look back. Enough is enough. Okay, let me see what could be the possible outcome of the situation till the end of this month. Five of Pentacles. It's like both of you are going to feel, when we see about the outcome thing, it's about the zodiac that we're talking about. So basically it's about you, Leo. You are in this energy of getting out of feeling left out in the cold by multiple situations of your life. as it's a mutual energy. Two people are connected in this situation, in this dynamics. Both of you are trying your best to move on in your individual lives. Meanwhile, this person is still holding on to this desire to reconnect with you, and you moving ahead in your life. The outcome is moving ahead, getting out of the losses, counting your blessings, and finally trying to get over this situation. So even if this person is going to show up in your energies, the outcome is telling me this is not going to be a fulfillment or commitment or beautiful relationship kind of a deal. It's going to make you feel like, no, not worth it. Okay. Okay, honey. The guidance for you guys for the month of September is Seven of Cups. If you're getting overwhelmed with the idea of putting yourself out there and having options around you and going on multiple dates, not feeling well about it, not feeling good about it, just just calm down, just relax. And once you are going to be in that beautiful happy go lucky kind of energy, once you are going to be at your best, when you feel like you can go out there and now you can have fun and now you can go on dates, then you can do it. You don't have to overwhelm yourself, okay, with this thought, with this idea that, oh, my clock is ticking, I'm getting old, I'm not getting any younger. Don't listen to stupid people around you, okay? You have your own timings, you have your own journey, you have your own path. So focus on your individual energy. If you're not feeling it, don't do it forcibly. If you're feeling it, go dress up and have fun. But if this is leaving you emotionally drained and emotionally confusing, it means you are not doing something the way you should do it, right? That's the first thing. Second thing, you might be trying to occupy yourself with a lot of things at once. Like, I'm going to go to gym also, I'm going to do, let's say for example, you are getting obsessed with the idea of getting your ideal body back. So you are doing swimming also, you are doing yoga also, you are doing gymming also, you are dieting also, you are sleeping well also, you are, you're getting obsessed, overwhelmed, right? Not obsessed, overwhelmed. So stop getting overwhelmed by doing so many things at once. That is going to leave you drained, not happy, not fulfilled. You have to take care of that, Leo, right? To come back on the right track. The right track is always going to make you feel at peace, and peace doesn't means that we are always going to be we are happy. No, even if it is hurting you, bothering you, something, you are going to feel like, okay, it's fine, this too shall pass. That's peace. That's the peace I'm talking about. No overwhelming energy, no draining energies, just acceptance. That's the peace I'm talking about. Okay, honey. Let's see the final message for you guys from the Romance Angels Oracle cards. We have, pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. Yeah, even if you are connecting with new people and you feel like something is off or something is not matching up, or even if you are connecting with, sorry, the last person, the past person, or a new person, watch out for the red flags. Watch out for too many things not matching up with your energies, not matching up with your vibes anymore. I told you about this past person. Even if they are going to show up, it's going to be impulsive. It's not going to be something stable or mature or grounded. So watch out for that also. Okay. Basically, watch out for the red flags. Beware. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.